Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Whew, guys, okay, so Queen Loli was on a podcast here on YouTube. The podcast name is called The Original Killers, right? Queen Loli revealed ukuthi kuthiwa uMpumelelo Mseleku has been sleeping with uGogo Skhotheni, the famous Gogo Skhotheni. Hey. So Queen Loli says that she used to be friends with Gogo Skhotheni, you know, way back then, and then that time when Gogo Skhotheni was opening her podcast, she invited her to come and be the guest on the podcast, but however that did not happen because Gogo Skhotheni ended up ghosting her. And then Queen Loli wasesizwa ngogogo maweni ukuthi hayibo, your friend, that one Gogo Skhotheni, is chowing your man, your boyfriend. Imagine. Hey, uMpumelelo guys akala type, uMpumelelo akala age, uMpumelelo nkosi yami ulala yazi la kwasani, akakhethi mhlobo uMpumelelo. Guys, but honestly I think it's disgusting. Above all, I think it is disgusting because that time uGogo Skhotheni, actually it's still alleged news. Yo nkosi yami angifuni nje ukube sengibona ngama samanis because I don't have money to pay for whatever into zokuboshwa and all that. But anyways guys, it is disgusting, you know, because that time uGogo Skhotheni was married. She was a married woman, and kusho ukuthi phela ubelala le minor because uMpumelelo guys is way younger than Gogo Skhotheni, way young. Of course he is of age ukuthi phela angalala and all that, but he's still way younger than Gogo Skhotheni. Hey, it's a fair affair. Hi, this one is not even really about age, but it's about the fact that Gogo Skhotheni was a married woman. We saw her wedding on her show, so like, what are you doing with a child? Oh my word. At this point in time, I just want to say, you know, Uvuyo did well by leaving uMpumelelo, because right now I'm thinking ukuthi uTerelo is now rushing to the toilet ukuthi ayohuda, ngosi angazi uhuda kangaki ma ezwe indaba zikaMpumelelo. Because guys, phela if ungezwe ukuthi your boyfriend is cheating or what, isisu sivele sibe buhlungu ugijimele toilet. So how many times, or maybe mhlambe she no longer goes through that phase, maybe usejwayele nje ukuthi, you know what, I might hear anything horrible about my boyfriend, about my baby daddy. But anyways, I shame halala uVuyo, halala. Oh, was a Uvuyo. Vuyo chose herself because hey, uMpumelelo, it was gonna be heartbreak after heartbreak. For those who watched the podcast that uMpumelelo did with uGogo Skhotheni on Gogo Skhotheni's podcast, now it all makes sense. First things first, they were wearing matching outfits. Okay, maybe it was a coincidence or what, but based on this alleged information, everything makes sense. Guys, remember ukuthi uGogo Skhotheni abadala bamfikela ngesikhathi esenza i-podcast with uMpumelelo, right? But sebefikile abadala, you know, waqala ukwenza into zenizana nje izenzo abadala nxa sebefikile, you know, uGogo Skhotheni wathi yena no, she can't continue interviewing uMpumelelo, ngeke asaku interview uMpumelelo, what, and uMpumelelo was laughing. Guys, there is someone, I can't remember if it's Untando or Untando Mdletshe, or it's or which YouTuber it was, who did a review on that on that interview. What yena, the way uMpumelelo was laughing ngesikhathi uGogo Skhotheni esefikele ngabadala, it didn't sit well with them, because it was like age gap between them. You wouldn't expect ukuthi uMpumelelo react ngendlela reacta ngayo, because uMpumelelo reacted angathi he's with his age mate, kwangathi nje unontanga wakhe, you know, kwangatshengisa ukuhlonipha, kwangatshengisa nje ukuthi okay, you are the big sister, I'm the little brother, stuff like that. Guys, it was giving, you know, we know each other naked. It was giving, I'm making you blush. It was, yo guys, I'm not saying ukuthi kunjalo khona. Everything is alleged. Yo, please do let me know what you think on the comment section.
I don't know, whatever. The son, and they're talking about you on her podcast. But funny enough, on Mungoma Festival, they were all over each other, even though her husband was at the festival. So clearly, she's also fucking him because we knew that they were busy together.